Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing fine. First of all, I'd like to tell you sorry because around 4 to 5 days it's been I've not put any videos because Ramzan has started and in fasting I am not able to make any videos. That's the reason, but I still thought in the evenings I should make some videos and upload it for all of you. So today I'm gonna show you my secret. How do I do my skin polishing and how do I get a soft, supple and brightened looking body and face, and I'm going to show you the proper DIY what I use for myself. You have to use it once a week, and if you use it once a week you don't need to trust me. Actually, seriously, you have to trust me on this, that you don't need to waste even a single penny going to the parlor for your skin polishing treatment. You do this every once a week, you're gonna get a nice and glowing skin. So without wasting further ado, let's get started to the video. Okay, so for the concoction of my magical skin polishing mask, we're gonna start using 2 spoons of besan. Besan is very good for your skin. It removes all the excess dirt and oil from the skin. Now I'm gonna take 2 spoons of wheat flour, atta. This is a very good agent to exfoliate your skin. Now we're gonna take a pinch, not much, a pinch of turmeric, haldi, honey as much needed, half a lemon I'm gonna squeeze in for that lightening effect on your whole body. Nimbu dala hai, and this is milk. कच्चा दूध भी ले सकते हो, पका हुआ भी. आई एम टेकिंग द कुक्ड वन. थोड़ा सा डाल दो. we're gonna mix all these together. So you can see, after mixing all the ingredients together, it has formed a not thick, not runny, but a proper paste kind of a thing. And now let's just apply it on the body and see the results. I have nothing on my face, just washed, and I prefer applying this body polishing miraculous face mask or body mask, whatever you say, on my whole body. I keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, then I just go run into the shower and take a shower, and then I get to see the results. You want, you can apply it only on your hands or only on your legs or only on your face, but I prefer applying it on the whole body for skin polishing. So let's apply it. It has turmeric. Turmeric has antibacterial properties. If you have any acne, whitehead, blackhead, pimples or anything, it's gonna take away all that stuff. Milk is always good for moisturizing your skin. Lemon is good for lightening. So all the ingredients that I have put in it are good for your skin, and not only for your face, for your whole body. I am applying it with a brush. If you want, you can directly apply it with your fingers. You can use any way. I like applying this with a brush, that is why. So you can see. little messy process, but it's gonna work wonders. So you can see I'm applying it all over here. I'll be applying it on my hands. On my back, everywhere. Taking more. As I'm gonna apply it on the whole body, I'll show you applying it on my one hand, and then later I'm gonna apply it on my whole body. You can even apply it on your underarms. So in this way, I'll be applying it on my whole body. You can see. I am so much in love with this skin polishing thing that, you know, as it is lockdown is going on, you can't go to any parlor. Why not you try it at home and let me know the results of it. Yeah, and one more thing wanted to tell you, if you want, you can apply it on your lips also. I do apply a little. Okay, Kiara is there behind. She just got up. So I'm gonna apply it on my whole body. Can't talk because of this. And then we'll have a bath and get back to you. Okay, so I'm back. I just had a shower and I wanted to show you all. I've not applied anything on my body, neither on my face. I wanted to show you the results of my skin polishing at home. So you can see. You can see my neck, my underarms, my hands. You can see how nice, how beautiful my whole body is looking actually. I had applied it on my whole body, but I can, as of now, I can show you my hands and my face and my neck. You can see this is the same result that I've got on my whole body. You should at least apply this polishing mask once a week and pamper yourself. Why not sitting at home, pamper yourself? And I really like it. Please do try it once. Even you're gonna love it. You can see the results live. So if you like the live results and if you like my messy concoction of the Basin skin polishing mask, please do use it, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.